and welcome back to another video content of this channel. And if you are new here and find the value of it, please consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell below to be updated on my future upload. Hi everyone, I missed you all and it's been a while since my last upload. This is just a daily vlog and I want you to join me. I'm planning to buy a health watch band. I'm still not decided. It's either the Huawei Mi Fit band or Huawei. So I'm still not decided which one I will purchase tonight, inshallah. But what I want right now is to buy a simple one, which is just to track everything that I am doing in daily lives. Ganern. So first time I will try a Huawei watch band. So without further ado, let's jump into it. And now we're here in Panorama Mall, here along Takasusi. Let's try to check in Jarir. I think that is the best place to check on this Huawei watch band. We're here in the mobile section, and then we have to look for our target. That's the one we need. Huawei Band 6 or Huawei Watch Fit. Those are the two options that I'm looking right now, which is the Huawei Band 6 and the Huawei Watch Fit Pink. Sorry, Huawei Watch Fit. Okay, let's ask what's the difference. So this is the difference of the two. This is the Huawei Fit Watch Fit and the other one is Huawei Band 6. Brother, what's the difference between the two? I mean in terms of features and everything. What you can recommend me?
It depends. You want only for fitness?
Yeah.
Or your purposes are
for monitoring monitoring in my mobile, you know, messages, notification, calls, alarms,
calls
timer.
Available in the black one, the watch.
Okay.
Receive and send calls, but wireless, it's connected with the phone. Repair.
This one.
Yes, should be repaired.
So guys,
The band is for fitness only, for scientific reasons.
Okay. So guys, now I decided which one, because I need not only for fitness, I need also wirelessly
and fitness also.
And fitness as well. Yeah. So this one, the Huawei Watch Fit, it's the best one of choice.
Really, nigga?
So I chose the Huawei Watch Fit due to the following reason. First, the size. The Huawei Watch Fit has an average size for my hand, so I purchased that one. At the same time, it has a better functions compared to the Huawei Band 6, which has a limited function. I need something for fitness, at the same time connectivity on my mobile that has a GPS. So I chose the Huawei watch with the color mint green. Join me unboxing it. So let's start the unboxing right now. And again, what I have chose is the Huawei Watch Fit So it has an animated fitness coach, long life battery, and 1.6 inches AMOLED display. Let's check the box first, and these are some features of the Huawei. Okay, so it has a 1.6 inch AMOLED display, long life battery, 12 animated fitness courses, mashallah, 96 workout modes. So this is really beneficial for those who are working out. It has a lot of workout modes. Scientific workout guidance, mashallah, it's like a scientist. Full health monitoring, this is what I really love. Built-in GPS, 5 ATM water resistance. This feature will be supported via OTA. So let's unbox it. Alright. Mint green. It's Huawei Watch Fit Model TIA-B09. Color mint green. Wristband type mint green. This is really straightforward watch and doesn't have a lot of harakat. I love the material that they use here. Okay, these are the paperworks. Magnetic charger. It's Huawei. Alright. Okay, so let's try to set it up. Download Huawei Health from the app gallery or another app, then add this device. Okay, the Huawei Health, then let's go to the device, then select the add. Okay, now it's asking which type of device do you have. It's under smartwatch. Okay, then Huawei Watch Fit series. I see it already. It's now on pairing mode, and as you can see, pairing request, you just tick it, then Bluetooth pairing request. Huawei Watch Fit -10B would like to pair with you. iPhone, yes please. Data transmission will take some time. Please do not use your phone and Huawei Watch Fit series during the update. Okay, fine. Now once you swipe it down, you will see some quick settings like do not disturb, your display properties, looking for your mobile, you have the timer here, and settings as well, display strength, so about everything basically. Then once you swipe it up, you will see all the notifications, SMS or whatever notification that you have. Now let us check all the applications inside of this watch. We have the workout. From here there are already pre-installed workout, which is, for example, re-energize. Let's check this one. Touch to start. Superman stretch. So this is how it looks like. And these are the pre-installed courses or exercises that the watch has loaded. So we have butt kicks and so on and so forth. Simply you just have to follow it the way it shows you. That's a good thing with this watch. You know, just have to follow the repetitions, how long it will take you. So I love this one. And that's all for today's video. I hope you did like it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Till my next video upload, Massalama everyone, peace out.
Panda, panda, panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.